7 months after the Congress Working Committee expressed a strong sentiment for Rahul Gandhi's elevation as party president, Congress President Sonia Gandhi is presiding over the party's highest policy body meeting. Sunil Prabhu now joining us on the phone line from the capital. Sunil, is that elevation at all a possibility after this meeting?
Well, definitely there will be those voices of which have, there was a unanimous resolution the last time the CWC met, led by Mr. A.K. Anthony, asking for his elevation as the Congress president and saying that it's high time that he takes up the position. Of course, today's discussion is really, the schedule is officially to pass the resolution and allow the organizational schedule which is required for the CWC to give approval since internal elections have to be held. The Congress party has been seeking from the Election Commission a continuation of its from its internal constitution reprieve, and it's in that backdrop today. Of course, the official word will be to pass that resolution, but definitely voices will be heard in the CWC to elevate Rahul Gandhi, the president, as well as the vice presidential elections which are coming up will be discussed, and of course the state of the economy and other issues vis-a-vis the Narendra Modi government will be attacked upon by the Congress party. It's in that backdrop today that there will definitely be talk of Rahul Gandhi to take over. We have been told by sources close to Rahul Gandhi that he would be keen to really be elected through these organizational elections democratically, rather than have a unanimous decision of the CWC elevating him. This, of course, Amitabh, as you are well aware, has been pending for a very, very long time, and really it's not too much of a debate. It's only a question of timing. And when will that happen? Will it happen immediately, or will they take their own due course of time to go ahead for this decision?